Good morning children. This is our grade 4 science video class. Okay, today we are going to see lesson 1, preparation of food in plants. Okay, preparation of food in plants. Before going deep into this today's lesson, we'll have small recap of our previous lesson. That means the same lesson, previous part. Okay, this lesson deals about plants. We know about plants. Plants make their own food. Isn't it? Plants make their own food. They have the ability to prepare their own food. அதுவாவே அதுக்கு தேவையான உணவை தயாரிச்சுக்க முடியும். Clear? How do the plants have the ability to prepare their own food? What makes a plant to prepare their own food? Because plants are doing the photosynthesis work. The name of that process is photosynthesis. Okay, what is meant by photosynthesis? That is the process of making food in green plants. Look at the word green plants. The process of making food in green plants is called photosynthesis. Isn't it? So, the preparation of food happens here. How it is possible in green plants? How it is possible? Because plants have leaves. What they have? They have leaves. Plants have leaves. We studied about the structure of leaf, isn't it? In previous session we studied, no? So what they tell? What is present in the leaf? Stomata. Pore. Hole is there. A tiny pore is there. Stomata is present in leaves. So through the pore and the hole valiya, what is entering in and out? The exchange of gases happens in and out. Isn't it? So what are the things are needed for the plants to make their food? Plants have to prepare their own food. No, what are the things are needed for the plants to prepare their own food? Air, water, sunlight and soil. Isn't it? So through the roots, they absorb water and minerals. Plants absorb water and minerals through their roots, isn't it? And stem passes this to leaves. Okay, in leaves, what are the things are happening? In leaves, in every cell, one green pigment is present. I said no. What is the name of that green pigment? Chlorophyll. What is that? Chlorophyll. The green pigment, nirami, present in leaves is called as chlorophyll. What is the work of this chlorophyll? I said trapping the sunlight, absorbing the sunlight. So what are the things are needed for the plants to prepare their food? Air, water and nutrients, sunlight. What? Air, water and nutrients, sunlight. How plants receive air? Through the tiny pores. Where the tiny pores are present? In the leaves. What is the name of the tiny pores? Stomata. Okay. So many pores are there. Tiny pores are there on the leaves. Okay. So that pores we call it as stomata. Clear? So what is happened through that pores? Exchange of gases. Air is the mixture of many gases. Air is the mixture of many gases. So exchange of gases happen through the pore. That pore name is stomata. Where the pore is present? The pore is present in the leaves. Okay. The pore is present in the leaves. Okay. Then water and nutrients. Water and nutrients are needed for the plants to make their own food. Water and nutrients are needed for the plants to make their own food. So, the water and nutrients are absorbed by the roots. Okay, it's present in the soil. Water and nutrients are present in soil. Through the root, the plant absorbs that water and minerals. Then they pass it through the stem and it reaches the leaves. So in leaves, the vein network of veins are there. No, through the veins, it's supplied to every cell of the leaf. Okay. Then sunlight also needed for the plant to prepare their food. How the sunlight is trapped, absorbed, eppadi gradichikkudu? Because a pigment is present in the leaf. That pigment name is chlorophyll. Isn't it? So how do leaves make food? The leaves make food if the air, water, nutrients and sunlight is present. It prepares the food. That process is called photosynthesis. Are you clear, children? So the sunlight, presence of sunlight is very much needed for the leaf to prepare their own food. That's why we call leaf is the kitchen of the plant or food factories of the plant. Food factories of the plant. We can say it is leaf, kitchen or food factories of the plant because leaf only doing the photosynthesis process. What is the photosynthesis process? Preparation of food. How the plant prepare the food? With the help of all these four things. Air, water, nutrients and sunlight. Okay. What is the end result of the photosynthesis process? And the வேலை பண்ணோம்னா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? It prepare the food. Plant prepare the food. Isn't it? Look at the picture. Through the roots, water and nutrients are passes to the stem and it reaches the leaves, and in leaves the sunlight is absorbed, and through the stomata exchange of gases happens. So what is the work is being happen there? Photosynthesis work. What is the result of the photosynthesis work? And the வேலை நடந்து முடிஞ்சோன்னு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Food is prepared. As a result of photosynthesis work, food is prepared. What is the food? What is the food? Starch. We studied in previous session, no? Starch. Starch is prepared as a result of photosynthesis process. Okay.